Okay, I'm going to show you now how to do the waistcoat stitch or the center post stitch. And right now I want to do it on this little pillow that I'm designing. Anyway, to start this, you would want to do, if you just started it from the very beginning, you would want to do however many chains you want to do, and then do a single crochet to start your foundation stitch. So this row right here is a row of single crochet. So at the end of the row, I'm just going to chain one, turn my work, and we are now going to do the waistcoat stitch or the center post stitch. So it's just a single crochet stitch, but you're going to insert your hook, instead of through the space right there, you're going to insert it in the V of the lower row. So not here as you normally would do a single crochet, but you're going to single crochet through this V. So you just put your hook through there, do a single crochet, and then you would do that all the way across. So not in the space, but in the V of the previous row. And you're going to pull that through, go through the V, pull that through, go through the V, pull that through, go through the V, just a single crochet stitch, go through the V, not the space, go through the V, go through the V, go through the V, and it just makes a real pretty, almost a knit stitch. Instead of a crocheted look, single crochet, you now have the knit look on this. We'll finish this to the end of the row, and then we'll turn and we'll do it back the other way. So through those lower V's, instead of the space that you normally crochet in, you're just going to go all the way across. When you get to that end, there's your last V. You're going to do it right through that. So now you've got that whole row, and it looks like a knit stitch. So chain one, you're going to turn your work. Now you can see the V's on this other side. So you're not going to do it in this space here. You're going to put it through the V, single crochet through that V. It's really, I guess, an upside down V. You can see that V right there. You're going to put it through that upside down V. You're going to go all the way across, doing a single crochet, but doing it through a different space than you normally do, giving it the look of a knit stitch. It's nice to add some different textures sometimes on something you're crocheting, and this would be a fun way to do a hat or a scarf or anything, because it would look like a knit stitch. And you're going to go all the way across. It's not as easy to insert your hook because it's in a different place, but if you crochet loosely, it's not too hard. It's harder if you crochet a tighter stitch, but with this big hook and this big yarn, it's not too hard to do. Okay, there you go. That's kind of a cool looking stitch. So you have a knit stitch on both sides. So that's just a fun way to do a different kind of single crochet.